So my name is Kamal Zaki. I'm the managing director for System Technique. That's a water treatment company based in Egypt. I came especially to Dubai to attend this seminar, this two-day workshop. I was interested to find out what Vjal had to offer, and certainly it's been very useful and very eye-opening regarding the potential of AI and really what we need to be working on as an organization in order to start to implement AI. I think the key takeaway for me that AI is a process. You need to get started at a certain point. You need to take it slowly so your organization is really able to take it on board without too much stress. Of course, the ideas of correct prompts and getting the prompts right and really how to write a good prompt, that's been very important. Obviously, then the issues of really creating our own bots, our own agents, and how to automate this has also been very interesting for me, although a bit worrying because there's certainly a lot still to learn. What are my next steps after this session? Certainly starting to discuss with my team AI, starting to open their eyes, their imagination about what's going to be possible, and then really starting to implement the early wins that I found out about here in the session. Thank you.